Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a 4-pack of stainless steel silicone tongs. These are amazing. I love this feature here. So this is so that you can hang them up. But if you want to store them in your drawer, these are what you need because you push it in and then it opens. So again, when you close it, and then you pull back, this is going to stay closed, so it takes up a whole lot less space. It's also great if you use like a countertop, like a holder for your tongs. So you get 4 different sets. You get this flat one, which is good for flipping. You get this sort of pasta one, but you don't even just have to use this for pasta. This is great to use. I'm making some cut up sausages, so this is a great one for that. This is a little bit more of your traditional just tongs. And then you get this one here, which has the like fingers, again, good for so many different things. So these are heat safe. You can use them while you're cooking. You can also pop these in the dishwasher. The grips on these are really, really nice. You have this like finger indentation here. So these are awesome. Let's give them all a whirl and see what we think. So this is great for small vegetables, like I'm reheating some green beans. You can see how great that is to pick those up. I could also use this one as well. All those little extra fingers are really helpful. Again, loving that. And then I have some sausages here. I'm actually going to turn that off. They're done. I can use this if I want to get in here and flip that over, or I can use this if I want a little more precision and I just want to pick up one. I cannot say enough great things about these tongs. They are so easy to store, so easy to take care of, such high quality. They're stainless with the silicone, heat resistant, dishwasher safe. You have this nice little thing to grab onto here. They're non-slip because they have the silicone on the sides. And then I think my favorite feature is the hook to hang them up, or you can use this again if you want to store them in a countertop vessel or in your drawer. You can keep them closed like this. I am absolutely loving these. These would also make a great housewarming gift or just a gift for you if you love to cook. So definitely check these out.